Ciao and welcome to Let's Cook Italiano. Today we're making pizza. Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. My name is Martina and today we'll be making the pizza that I prepared for BuzzFeed. When I was asked by BuzzFeed to do another round of videos, I was super excited because one of the foods that we were asked to prepare was pizza, which is my absolute favorite ever. I could live off pizza, I could eat it every day, any day of the week. That's how much I love pizza. As I'm from Naples, pizza is kind of in my blood. I remember when I still lived with my parents, my mum would make pizza pretty much every Saturday night, and all my friends came over for dinner because my mum's pizza is amazing. So the recipe that I'll be showing you today is an adaptation of my mum's recipe. Now, I know that there are a lot of controversies regarding pizza, where it originates from, so I did a little digging and this is what I found out. The origins of pizza can be traced as far back as the Neolithic age, when people would put different ingredients on flatbreads to make them tastier, and they span from the Persian Empire to ancient Greece. The first mention of the word pizza could be found in a payment notice from Gaeta in southern Italy in 997 AD. Modern pizza, or pizza as we know it, originated in Naples between the end of the 17th and the start of the 18th century. And Pizza Margherita was created by a Neapolitan pizzaiolo in honor of Queen Margherita, and the ingredients chosen for it, so basil, tomato and mozzarella, represent the Italian flag. Or so legend has it. Pizza then spread across the whole world thanks to Italian immigrants at the beginning of the 20th century. What I absolutely love about pizza is that possibilities are endless. Besides the traditional chewy Neapolitan crust, you can have crunchy crust, you can have deep pan pizza, you can have round pizzas, square pizzas, small pizzas that you can just fold and eat in the street, or bigger pizzas. And you can top it with whatever you want, vegetables, meat, even fries or Nutella. There are some ingredients that as an Italian I'm not too keen on. I'm looking at you, pineapple. But I have tried weird combinations to my standards, and sometimes I was pleasantly surprised. I have tried pineapple on pizza. It wasn't terrible, but I won't be trying it again. And I've also tried barbecue chicken. Definitely not trying it again. Pizza Margherita is an absolute classic. To me, Pizza Margherita is the meter of how good a pizzeria is. If the margherita is good, then I'm confident that the other pizzas will be good as well. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. To make the pizza dough, place 1 kilogram of flour in a bowl. I use double O flour, but you can use normal plain flour as well. Add 1 packet of dried yeast, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 30 grams of salt. Make a well in the middle and start adding lukewarm water gradually. The amount of water to be used will very much depend on the flour you use, so the amount indicated in the recipe card is an approximation. Add water until you have a smooth and elastic dough. Take the dough out of the bowl and slam it on a flat surface a few times. Then flour the bowl and place the dough back in it, and leave it to rest for a few hours in a warm spot until it doubles in size. My dough took about 6 hours. Spread some semolina flour on a surface and tip the dough onto it. Fold it a couple of times to form a ball, and then use a knife or a bench scraper to divide it into smaller balls. With 1 kilogram of flour, you will get 5 to 6 dough balls. Put some more semolina flour on the surface and place the dough balls on it. Sprinkle sun semolina on the top and cover it with a tea towel. Then leave it to rest for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled in size. In the meantime, you can prepare the tomato sauce by mixing a tin of crushed or finely chopped tomatoes with salt and extra virgin olive oil to taste. At this point, you should also cut the fresh mozzarella into cubes and leave it to rest so that it loses a bit of its liquid. Once the dough balls are ready, sprinkle some more semolina flour on the surface and place 1 dough ball on it. Then with the tips of your fingers, start spreading it from the center to the edges until it's about 20 centimeters in diameter. Leave the edges a bit thicker so that they puff up and keep the tomato sauce from overflowing. Place the dough in a hot pan and start placing the toppings on it whilst it's cooking on a high heat. This will make the base a bit charred like traditional Neapolitan pizza. If you do have a pizza stone, you can place it in the oven to get hot and you can skip this step. Once the base is cooked, which will take approximately 3 to 4 minutes, place the pizza on a pizza tin and finish cooking in the oven at 250 degrees or the highest temperature that your oven can get for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. And don't forget to add basil as soon as you take it out of the oven. And here it is, traditional Neapolitan Margherita. And here's another Neapolitan pizza you can try, Sausage and Friarielli. I talked about Friarielli in my previous video, which you will find linked above. All you have to do is cook Friarielli in a bit of oil, garlic and chili, and then sprinkle them on a pizza base. Add some sausage, smoked provola and mozzarella, and finish it off with a bit of oil and salt. And here's another delicious pizza with a Sicilian twist, pizza alla Norma. Just add tomato sauce, fried aubergines and mozzarella to your pizza whilst it's in the pan, and then 2 minutes before taking it out of the oven, add some ricotta salata on top and basil when it comes out of the oven. It's absolutely delicious. And this is how I make my pizza. As you can see, it's pretty easy. It doesn't take long at all to make. I mean, the dough does need to rise for a few hours, but you can just leave it on the side and get on with your life whilst it rises. I don't make pizza as much as I would like, but I do get pizza pretty much every week from the pizzeria around the corner, which makes traditional Neapolitan pizza in a wood-fired oven. And when I make pizza at home, I try to emulate the consistency and the flavor that a wood-fired oven gives the pizza. I won't be trying pizza in this video, but if you want to see the taste test, then just head over to BuzzFeed UK and watch Italian mums try other mums pizza. I will link the video below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will try this pizza, and if you do, please let me know in a comment below. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified when the next video is up. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I'll say ciao for now and see you in the next video. Bye!